Hello, hello, my dear sixth grade. I hope that you're doing okay. I am better. I was hoping to be with you today, but I can't. So that's why we're still using these means of the video. All right. So I hope that you're behaving, that you're doing all your work, and that you are respecting each and every one of the teachers that go to the classroom to be with you. All right. So today we are going to be working on the section using grammar and also on the review section. So first of all, we're going to go to page 243, page 243, and we are going to be working together the using grammar section. All right? It says, complete the series. Vamos a completar esa serie de palabras. Write the missing adjectives in their positive, comparative, or superlative degrees. So we are going to be writing what we learned yesterday about positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. All right? So the first one says cold. What would be the comparative degree? It would be colder than. All right? And then the superlative degree would be the coldest. The coldest. Okay, you got it? Colder than and the coldest. Now, letter B says the most beautiful of all. That's me. The most beautiful of all. That's a superlative degree of the adjective, and we are supposed to write down the positive degree, which would be beautiful, and then the comparative degree, that would be more beautiful. ¿Ok? Recuerden que cuando tenemos más de una sílaba en los adjetivos, no utilizamos los sufijos ER y EST, sino que utilizamos las palabras more and most. ¿Ok? Estamos. All right, so letter C says smarter than. So the positive degree would be smart. And the superlative degree, the smartest. Okay, you got that? Now letter D says younger than. The positive degree, the first one would be young. And then the superlative degree would be the youngest. Los tienen. I am going to repeat myself very quickly. Cold, colder than, the coldest. Beautiful, more beautiful. Smart, and the smartest. Young, and the youngest. Okay? That's for exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 says, look at the picture, write 3 sentences to describe the objects in the picture using adjectives in the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Okay? I am going to help you with this. Okay? We have 3 balls there. Okay? Tenemos 3 bolas ahí. Obviamente vemos que son bolas de diferentes tamaños. So, which adjective can we use? We can use bigger than. We can use big, bigger than, or the biggest. We can also use small, smaller than, and the smallest. So, for the first one, I would say the baseball is the biggest one. Para hacerlo sencillo. The baseball is the biggest one. On letter B, I can write the tennis ball is smaller than the baseball. The tennis ball is smaller than the baseball. And then the last one would be I think that's a ping pong ball, or maybe a golf ball. Maybe golf ball. Okay, so I would say the last one would be the golf ball is the smallest of the three, or the smallest of all. Okay? Let me try to repeat myself so that you get it. And if you need to pause the video to write it down, just do it. So the baseball is the biggest of all, or the baseball is bigger than the tennis ball. The tennis ball is smaller than the baseball. And the golf ball is the smallest of all. Are we clear? ¿Está bien? If you have any doubts, you can write to me, okay? Iviani siempre me escribe cuando tiene dudas sobre algo mientras está haciendo el trabajo, y igualmente pueden hacer ustedes si están desde sus celulares. Así que yo estoy stand-by, estoy on call, y me pueden escribir si en algún momento no entienden algo de lo que les estoy dando. Okay? Okay, exercise number 3 says, circle the adjectives. Vamos a circular los adjetivos aquí. And we should know this by now. The first one says, Daedalus and Icarus are being hunted for their cruel betrayal. Aquí, ¿qué me está describiendo a qué? Tengo Daedalus and Icarus. Eso es mi sujeto. Esos son dos nombres. Ahí no hay adjetivos. Are being hunted. That's my verb. No tengo adjetivos ahí. For their cruel betrayal. Así que aquí sí tengo un adjetivo. Sería cruel. ¿Ok? Que me está describiendo a betrayal. Are we clear? Now, letter B. The brilliant Daedalus developed a cunning escape plan. And here I have two. Brilliant, that is describing Daedalus, and cunning, that is describing escape. Letter C. They had fun collecting the soft feathers. Here I have one. Soft. Soft is describing feathers. Letter D. The myth of Daedalus and Icarus was fantastic. There I have a linking verb that is was. And after that linking verb, I have the adjective fantastic. Fantastic is describing the myth. Okay? Letter E. The sea has a bewitching calm. The adjective here is bewitching. That is describing calm. All right? So let me repeat myself. A, I have cruel. B, I have brilliant and cunning. C, I have soft. D, I have fantastic. And E, bewitching. Okay? Are we clear with page 243? That was like a review of what we learned about adjectives and their positive, comparative, and superlative degree. All right? Now, let's go to our review section. And it says, number 1, circle the adjectives. There I have cloudy day. The adjective would be cloudy. Then I have green stem. The adjective is obviously green. Me está diciendo de qué color es. Happy face. The adjective is happy. Honest man. ¿Cómo es el hombre? Honest, honesto. Easy test. ¿Cómo es el examen? Easy. Como el que van a tener de ciencia el jueves. First time. ¿Cuál es el adjetivo? First. Me está diciendo qué ves, en qué momento. O sea, cuál es el orden. ¿En qué orden? Pues el primero. Hard work, the adjective is hard. And old people, the adjective is old, which I'm not. Okay? Exercise number 2 says complete the table using adjectives in the positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Okay, aquí vamos a repasar nuevamente cómo hacemos esto del grado positivo, grado comparativo y grado superlativo del adjetivo en inglés. We have the first one is close. So the comparative degree will be closer than, and the superlative degree would be the closest. All right? And the second one, it says the scariest of all. So my positive degree would be scary. My comparative degree would be scarier than, and I already have the superlative degree. The third one says hungrier than. So my positive degree is hungry, and my superlative degree is the hungriest. The hungriest. You can write of all. Tired. Here I need to use, I can't use tireder, so I need to use the words more and most. So more tired and most tired. Famous, the same case. I need to use more famous and most famous. Right? Shortest. The positive would be short, and the comparative would be shorter. Worse than. Remember, this is the irregular case. Este es el caso irregular que se tienen que aprender de memoria. Worse than en positivo es bad. En superlativo es the worst. All right? And the last one, the most entertaining. Here in the positive degree, I write entertaining. And in the comparative degree, I write more entertaining. All right? Si no pudieron copiarlas todas en la medida en que yo las iba diciendo, vayan para atrás en el video y las van copiando y las van pausando el video para que los puedan, ¿verdad?, hacer correctamente y luego la puedan estudiar porque esto viene en el examen. ¿Ok? Como lo de dividir en sílabas no viene en el examen, no lo vamos a hacer. ¿Está bien? Esto de dividir en sílabas no lo vamos a hacer. Lo que viene en el examen es los grados del adjetivo, ¿ok? En el próximo examen de inglés. ¿Estamos claros? ¿Ok? Alright, guys, so see you later. We are not going to be doing anything else in English class today, but please behave, all right? Be respectful, be kind, be obedient, all right? With whoever is with you in the classroom. I don't want to hear that you're not behaving, all right? I love you all. Hopefully, see you soon. Bye-bye.